Hey everyone! So it's been a while since I've done an unboxing video, and a lot has happened in that time. So I've been busy, I haven't been neglecting you, but I have a ton of things to catch up on, so we're going to try and make a dent in that today. And I am starting with something that I got back in March, and I no longer remember what this is, so we will dive into this. And oh, from Ethereal Visions Publishing, here are my postcards from the beautiful Ethereal Visions Tarot, an illuminated, beautiful, like Art Nouveau style deck. So, oh, Queen of Cups, that's my lady. That's me right there. Awesome. And the Priestess and the Devil. And all these are signed. So, excited about that. And here is the back of the box, which says, this deck was brought to life on July 13th, 2016 by the amazing support of Kickstarter backers. Thank you for helping me make this deck a reality. This is a limited run edition of the deck printed by the artist. And now we will oh so gently go into the plastic, fling that. Oh, the box is like a nice, it's a really nice matte finish. So that is cool. And I have deck number 391 of 1100. And now open that. And little white book, which has the High Priestess on the front. And oh, very nice. It is dedicated to his loving wife, Hope, without whom this would not have been possible. Thank you for believing in me, even when I do not. And then there is a thank you to the Kickstarter people. There are, I guess there are 2 bonus cards in here. And so then it gets into the cards, astrological correspondences, upright reversals. So that is cool. It goes through all the different cards. Here's what that looks like for minors. Talks a little bit about the suit. And then about the artist. And that is it. Now we get into the part that I'm super excited about, the deck. Oh, the back of this is really cool. And then the gold on this is super, I can't get into the box fast enough to be able to show you. But it's got this really amazing gold foil. So there's the Fool, the Magician, High Priestess, the Empress, the Emperor, the Hierophant, the Lovers, oh, the Chariot. That is stunning. Strength, the Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, Justice, the Hanged Man, Death, Temperance, the Devil, the Tower, the Star, oh, the Moon. That blue is just really, really rich. The Sun, Judgment. That is another stunning illustration with the souls coming up. The World. And then we get the bonus cards. So we have the Well, and then we have the Artist. Next up, we go into the Cups. The King of Cups, Queen of Cups, Knight of Cups, Page of Cups, Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, Three of Cups, Four of Cups, Five of Cups, Six of Cups, Seven of Cups, Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups, 10 of Cups, and now we go into the Pentacles. King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Ace, the Two, Three, 4, 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, King of Swords, Queen of Swords, Knight of Swords, Page of Swords, Ace of Swords, Two of Swords, Three of Swords, Four of Swords, Five of Swords, Six of Swords, Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, Nine of Swords, 10 of Swords, King of Wands, Queen of Wands, Knight of Wands, Page of Wands, then the Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I love this deck. I already love this deck. I can't wait to start working with it. I'm interested in, I'm loving the subtle variations on some of the super classic Rider-Waite. Like, I'm trying to find the Six of Swords here. I like that he is pulling his own boat, because traditionally when you see this card, you're looking at a woman and a child in the back of a boat, and somebody else is in control. And to me, this card feels more like he is in charge, and this character has made his own decision about what to leave behind. And it's heading straight towards you, and that sense of direction and coming towards something and moving towards something instead of sort of running away from something is incredibly appealing to me. So that's one example. I also really like the horse in the Knight of Wands. I'm enjoying all his horses. His court cards are beautiful. The cardstock feels good. It's not, I mean, it's not super thick, but it's sturdy. Oop, flinging, which, you know, I usually do anyway, but it feels good. It's got like a light coating on it. Again, that gold is just, I love that. I'm all about this gold. So that is the amazing Ethereal Visions Tarot.